You want to make presentations using Canva within minutes. I understand, as teachers, we are making so many presentations every single week, especially if you're a subject teacher taking multiple classes or a class teacher taking multiple subjects. You might be making way more presentations than some of us. 21st century demands from us as teachers, with lessons having to be interactive, engaging, differentiated, and presentations not too distracting, learning walls not too distracting. We've got a lot of demands, but we make it work. Canva has a feature, which is the bulk create feature, that has made my life so much more easier. Let's take a look at how we can make a presentation using bulk create option from Canva within minutes. Alright, now the first thing you want to do is open Canva and select a template that works for you. Now I'm going to show this through the creation of certificates because I feel like this way you're going to understand the tools a little better. I'm just going to go for a very simple one that I can already see. I know that I'm going to be working with this template. I'm just going to leave it kindergarten, graduation, but up to you. You can change it as you want. But all I know is I need a title, this bulk creation, and I need a section for specific award the child is getting. I'm going to duplicate it. I also need a space for student name. So I'm just going to leave it here. I open the template that works for me. I'm going to make sure I have elements that I need for my presentation. Since I'm making certificates, I need a main title. I'm going to leave it as kindergarten graduation. I know for sure that I need an element where the student name would go and the award, the specific award that the student is getting. Something else that I would add is the date right here because I need it in every single certificate, and let's say I'm planning to give it on the 23rd of October 2025, and then I'm going to adjust the font size accordingly because this is going to duplicate in every single slide that is being created. So number one, select a template. Number two, make sure that you have the elements you need: title, prompt, description, anything that you need. Okay, so now keep in mind, in my case, it's student name and the award. So I have two elements that I need in my bulk creation. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to scroll down here. You might see it here on the side, bulk create, or you might want to go to apps and then find bulk create. Either way, you can enter data manually. So I'm going to add my students' names and then the award each student is going to get. So in your case, it could be the slide number, the title of each slide, and the content on each slide. Enter them manually, or you can simply link it to your Google Sheets. You can connect it and click on the Google Sheets that you want to link, and it's going to work fine. I'm going to enter the data manually. One column, I've got the student names, not words. Student names, doesn't matter. And then the award title. So as you can see, these are not my real students, they're random names generated from GPT. I have two data fields. I have student names, the element that I spoke about, and I have the award title. And then I have a section for each of that on my slide. You're going to click on this traffic light sign. You're going to scroll down and click connect data. And then I want that to connect to my student names when I bulk create. And then the second one, I want it to connect to the award title. And I can double check, see, this is exactly what I want. I need a page for every single student with their award mentioned on the certificate. Now, generate 15 designs. Let's view the design. Yes, it's going to create an externally. It's going to create a new one. Now, look at that. Aisha Khan, best team player. Omar Ali, most creative thinker. Sophie Mendes, outstanding effort. Now, a tip I have for you is that you could upload your lesson plan or AI. You could prompt it to create a table for Canva bulk creation, and it's going to do it for you. And you simply copy that table, you paste it on here manually, and then generate the slides.